Hi, I'm Margaret from Heidi and Lana. Today I'm going to show you how to do a provisional cast on. So for this cast on method, you're going to need a crochet hook, and then I like to use a contrasting color yarn, so a different color from what your project is going to be worked in. It just makes it a little bit easier to see the provisional cast on when you go to remove it. And I also like to use the same weight of yarn that the project is going to be worked in. So to start, you're going to make a slip knot, and you can just leave a short tail, and then you're going to put that slip knot on the crochet hook. And then you'll take your knitting needle, and we're going to put the working yarn behind the knitting needle. And then we're going to reach across in front of the knitting needle and pull a loop through. Then you're going to take the yarn back behind the knitting needle, reach across, and pull a loop through. Back behind, reach across, and pull a loop through. Back behind, reach across, and pull a loop through. And you're just going to keep doing this until you reach the number of stitches on your needle that you need for your project. And then once you have that number on your needle, you're just going to chain a few stitches. So I'm just going to chain a few here. And this just lets you know which end you're going to start removing the provisional cast on from. So now I'm just going to cut the yarn here and pull that through. So when you go to remove it, you're going to start with this end here. So now you're ready to join your yarn and start working your project. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Ravelry, Instagram, and Facebook, all under Heidi and Lana.